Another accessory that we offer is the Barista Kit. The Barista Kit is the perfect accessory to make lattes, cappuccinos, Americanos, strong double shots, or to make 2 espressos at once. The Barista Kit comes with 2 16-gram filter baskets and 1 extra 8-gram filter basket. Each filter basket comes with a cap, so you can pre-pack your espresso and take it with you. The Barista Kit also comes with a larger 140 milliliter water tank, which you can use to make 2 espressos at once, or you can use it to make an Americano. The large water tank also has an extra large cup attached to it. Another accessory that comes with the Barista Kit is a coffee tamper. It also comes with a double espresso adapter ring. This mounts right onto the body of the Nanopresso and allows you to use the larger filter baskets when you make your espresso. There are several different ways to use the Barista Kit. Unscrew the cap from the Barista Kit and take out the double espresso ring. Unscrew the cap of the Nanopresso and screw on the adapter ring. Weigh 16 grams of ground coffee into the filter basket. This is roughly 2 scoops of ground coffee. Use the tamper to level and compress the ground coffee. This is specially designed for the Nanopresso filter baskets and allows you to tamp your coffee using more control. There should be roughly 4 millimeters of space at the top of the filter basket. If you are repacking your espresso filter baskets, you can place the lid on and take the espresso with you. Place the coffee filter basket into the Nanopresso and screw on the portafilter. Fill the large water tank to the max fill line, but do not overfill. You can use the Nanopresso's original water tank to make a double espresso, or you can attach the large water tank to make a lungo. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the espresso into a large cup, or use the included cup. You can also create 2 identical double shots by distributing the espresso evenly while pumping. Enjoy!